I actually don't know whether it's from, because I can't even bloody do it now. I'm forever holding a polisher.
Yeah.
A barrel polisher, so I'm forever, you know,
yeah.
swinging, but I cannot, I cannot physically straighten it.
It's just locked.
It's locked.
Jeez, it's just clagged, isn't it?
Yeah.
It does not move at all. Look, there is a chance that this muscle's gone into spasm and it's coming from nerve irritation up here, but just the way that joint feels, it's most likely something's actually locked. We'll get a picture of it and we'll have a look and see what we're dealing with.
Yeah, yeah.
Come in here, mate. Okay. So you can do that alright?
Yep.
Can you get your arm like that? Slowly, mate. We're not going to have any chance of getting a straight shot of that.
Good.
So we'll see what information we can get out of this picture. And this joint space here is fairly even until you get around here, and then it's very open. Alright mate, let's go. This whole bone here is just kind of dropped back, and when you try and straighten it, it just gets caught.
Pushing on the back of the bone.
Yeah. The ideal way to adjust this is to actually get your arm straight, which is what you can't do. So what we're going to do is I'm going to bring your humerus out a little bit.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's just going to put this in a better position where I can get it up. Fiona, can you come and hold his forearm for me there? Actually, maybe Kim, can you help Fiona? That's it. That's enough. That's enough. In a minute, they're normal. What I'm going to do is just do a quick little impulse into this joint.
Yeah.
Good. Hold it there, boys and girls. And what I'm going to do now is shove my thumb in here to brace it, and then we're going to open it up. So slowly open it up. There you go, mate. Look at that. That's it. That was good.
Oh man.
That was good. Okay, now just slowly open it up a bit more. At least we've unhooked it. This bicep tendon's gone into spasm.
Oh, holy snap. That shit. Now I'm ready to dance.
Let's just back that flexion off a little. Yep. That whole bicep's just gone into spasm. It's just really guarding. Just got to get some pressure off this tendon. Okay, it's starting to back off now.
It actually feels like it's actually just
letting go.
Almost, yeah.
Yep. So you come and grab this arm again. Just want you to kind of traction it down a little. That's it.
Oh shit.
She's tough, isn't she?
Yeah.
And just supinate it a touch, like 5 degrees. That's it. Just let it go a little bit, mate. That's it.
Oh, Jesus Christ! Felt that.
Just need to get this tissue to back off a little bit. So once we get that to back off, I'll be able to get that radial head a bit forward a bit more. Alright mate. And relax. And you just move it now as it's comfortable. That's heaps better.
Oh shit, yeah. Yeah.
The fact that you can now move it,
yeah,
that's chalk and cheese to when you first.
Oh shit, yeah.
Just move it like this, move it like that, like get your wrist as much as you can. And get a bit of ice on here, and when you rest it in its longest position. Don't rest it up like that because it'll go.
See, I think that's... Thanks guys.
Thank you so much.
No worries. But just show me what you can do now. Yeah, that's great.